way out there. He can't hit us from here, so.
Got eyes on Casey. He's at the top of the flat rock over there.
Casey's looking out over there. That's way too far.
Is it?
Probably. Might get it to break on a rock, but not on a person. Can you see your shots?
Yeah.
You see where they're hitting?
We got the wind at our back, so we're good. Thomas is firing at them.
No, he's not. He's just a long ways out.
They're almost there.
Where?
If not hitting them.
It's a long ways out. It's gonna be a real lucky shot if you hit him. Yeah, he can get up here. It's just probably not gonna break.
Where's Thomas?
He's still down there. He's getting up here, but they're not gonna break. Yeah, they're gonna wait for us to make a move.
Let's do it.
Let's work our way around to the left.
Right there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
See if we can, might get us out of Thomas's range. Yeah. That's Thomas, all right. Found two of his just standing there.
Got eyes on Tom.
Okay, keep an eye on him.
Got it.
I'm on right now.
Are you?
Yep, they moved.
Go forward a little bit. So you got the rock to your right.
They're hitting on the top of the rock right here.
Are they?
Keep going.
Just try and keep some cover to your right. So I don't see Thomas. Yeah, take this group of rocks right there to our left. Some nasty stuff. They're moving back. That's Julie.
Oh no.
Yeah, save it for now.
Yep.
He's still keeping an eye on Thomas. I don't know which way they're going.
This way. We're gonna come right up there on this big rock. Let's go.
You think they're gonna come down on us? Man, we can't go much higher.
No.
This is good coverage though.
Yeah.
Shoot. Yeah, we really can't go very much farther.
I don't see him.
Me neither.
You're good. From where you are, Thomas is at about 3:30.
From which way?
Or this way.
Facing you guys, 3:30 -4.
Okay. You just gotta watch him because he could decide to run on us. So watch him.
Taking us.
See him?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
Does he buy any rocks?
Oh, coming up over. You're getting low. Open your hopper. You're getting low.
There's Thomas.
I'll keep it on our left side.
You got our left?
Yeah. They're both around that tall rock. There's two of them peeking out at us. No shots yet. I think your left side's clear, so let's worry about Thomas for now.
I got Tom. He's bouncing around.
Shooting. That 98's not going to make it here. Not very easily. I don't even hear him hitting. Oh, this is not much fun one-handed. Careful. You're still way the heck out of here. Man. I hope we started like a half mile out. Still gonna be a lucky shot to hit anything over there.
Yeah.
Where's Thomas?
I don't know.
There he is.
Thomas is on the flat rock.
Where you see him? Other side's still peeking around the rock on the left.
Get up here. There. Shit, I'm at 1,000.
Well, just keep it conservative till we get in range. We got a long ways to go.
You see him?
Yeah, they're right there.
Right here.
They still have a big rock duck behind though. I see him. Oh, I think we're in range. Yep. Crap. We're in range. We're gonna move. Shoot. Now we're in a crossfire. They're moving to the left. She's wide open.
Can I get up?
She's wide open. Pop up. Pop up. See her? Take some shots. Ah. She was wide out in the open.
Get up there. Here we go. Try to climb.
Good luck with that. It's hard to do with one hand. We're gonna run air and paint before we hit anybody.
Okay, you take it over.
Me?
Yeah, go ahead.
up to you. You got the gun. We just got to be a little more conservative is all. He's not even shooting at us. Dang it. We're so high up here. All around me. He could get me from here. I gotta go. Okay. Thomas is moving to the right. We gotta go for one or the other. You want to go after the other team or Thomas first?
It's your choice, man. What do you think? You got a better side on. Let's go with these guys. These guys. Ready?
Get down. Right out in the open. You see her? She's in that bush. Straight at your 12 o'clock in that bush. Go.
Come on.
You're running low on air.
I hit the front of her, right in front of her.
She's coming out. Get down. Oh!
I'm hit.
Am I hit?
I don't know. I'm hit.
No, they only have one. Crap. I'm right out in the open.